In today's video, you'll learn what to do when your iPhone 11 won't charge. Have you encountered such a situation? Your iPhone 11 randomly stops charging for no reason? If you do, maybe the battery won't charge or it charges slowly when plugged in. Perhaps your iPhone 11 doesn't charge past 80, even after you plug it into power for many hours. Or, your iPhone 11 is not charging or turning on. All you see is a black screen with no battery charging icon. In any case above, you might be confused as to why iPhone 11 is not charging when plugged in. And you might want to figure out some solutions for charging issues on iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, and iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now, we'll give you all you want to know. Why is my iPhone 11 plugged in but not charging? Commonly, when you charge iPhone 11, you should hear the charging sound, feel the vibration, and see the battery icon, with a lightning bolt. If you can't see the battery icon, or you see it but iPhone 11 is not charging because the percentage isn't going up, here are a few reasons. Broken charging cable or charger. Dirty charging port. Third-party charging accessories. Your charging cable and power adapter are not supported or certified by Apple, stopping your iPhone 11 from charging normally. Low voltage power supply. System bugs. Out-of-date iOS version. Optimized battery charging feature is enabled. This is the common reason why your iPhone 11 stops charging at 80%. No matter how long you charge, it won't charge past 80. Overheating environment. Damaged internal components. Next, let's go to troubleshoot the battery not charging problems. How to fix an iPhone 11 that won't charge. There are 3 overall steps. 1 is to perform some checks on the charging accessories. 2 is to clear software glitches. 3 is to repair the hardware. Now, we'll divide them into 6 specific steps as follows. Step 1 is to charge iPhone 11 with cable. iPhone 11 won't charge wirelessly on a wireless charger? iPhone 11 won't charge in car or in computer? Take a charging cable, connect it to your device and charger, and then charge it with a wall power outlet. If you've charged the iPhone 11 with a cord, ensure that the outlet and the plugs are seated firmly. Let your iPhone 11 charge for no less than half an hour. If the battery is dead and running out of juice completely, charge the battery for an hour. If your iPhone 11 is overheating, unplug the cable, leave it for a few minutes, and then charge it again. Step 2 is to check the charging cable and USB adapter. If the battery is still not charging on iPhone 11, check the charging cable and USB adapter. Try to use the same lightning cable and adapter with other iOS devices. If it's working, then the issue might be with your iPhone 11 and try the next step. If not, they might be broken. Switch another known good cable and charger to fix an iPhone 11 that's not charging. Ensure that you're using Apple-certified charging accessories. Also, inspect the wall socket to check if it's supplying enough power and working properly or not to charge your phone. Charge your iPhone 11 for 30 minutes and see if it gets the device back charging. Step 3 is to remove any debris from the charging port. If your iPhone 11 refuses to charge the battery even though it says that it's plugged in, disconnect the charging cable to clean the charging port. Make sure your iPhone 11 is turned off. Put your phone under a desk lamp or something alike to light up the charging port. See if any dust particles inside the charging port might prevent the iPhone 11 battery from charging. Use a soft and dried toothbrush to gently clear away the dirt. Then, plug your device back into the power. Charge your iPhone 11 for 30 minutes or longer if the battery is empty and see if it gets the device charging like normal again. Step 4 is to restart iPhone 11. If all the charge accessories are in good condition but your device isn't charged, it's time to clear away potential software bugs. Start with restarting your iPhone 11. Press and hold both volume up button and power button until you see the red power off slider. Drag the slider to the right to turn off the not charging iPhone 11. Wait 2 minutes. Then, press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. Now, let your device charge for a half hour and see if it charges. If your iPhone 11 won't charge or turn on, you'll need to do a force restart. Quickly press then release volume up button and volume down button. Then, press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. When your device reboots, plug it into a power and charge for another 30 minutes. Step 5 is to fix iPhone 11 not charging via computer. A force restart doesn't work? It indicates that there is a serious software glitch preventing your iPhone 11 from charging when plugged in. To fix it up, You'll need to use iTunes or Finder on your computer to download the latest iOS firmware and install it on your phone to replace the malfunctioning one. Here's what you need to do. Connect the USB cable to your iPhone 11 and plug another end of the USB port into the computer. Double-click iTunes or Finder software to open it up. Next, grab your iPhone 11 and press some button combinations to go into recovery mode. This is a feature enabling your computer to detect your iPhone 11 even when it's stuck with the Apple logo or flashing Apple logo on and off. Quickly press the volume up button then release. Quickly press the volume down button then release. Press the power button and keep holding it for a few seconds. Don't release even when you see the Apple logo screen. When you see the recovery mode, where a black screen shows a computer, a USB cable, and a link, release the power button. Then, keep your device plugged and head to your computer. Now, iTunes or Finder on your computer can quickly find your device. Also, a message dialog box should have popped up, just like this. On the bottom right corner of the dialog box, there are update and restore options. You can click the update button first to update your iPhone 11 to fix not charging issues. No data will be deleted. Just do what it asks you to do unless you see it starts downloading the latest iOS software. You can see the download icon on the top right corner is active and circling. Wait and you can click the download icon to see the status of the procedure. After around 1 hour to 3 hours, your iPhone 11 will reboot and show the Apple logo. Alright, the home screen appears. Hope your iPhone 11 starts charging as normal. If not, repeat the steps above to click the restore option to factory reset your device. Step 6 is to go to Apple Store. If your iPhone 11 is not charging after receiving water damage or dropping it on the floor, perhaps you need to either replace the battery or repair the hardware components. Instead of going to a third-party repair store, it's advised to go to an Apple Store or Apple-authorized service provider for evaluation. Hopefully, you fix iPhone 11 that won't charge properly. If you find this video helps, please give it a thumbs up and share it via Facebook, Twitter, and so on to help others in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.